As we navigate life's journey, our bodies undergo natural changes. One significant area affected is our immune system. This change becomes particularly noticeable with age, especially after crossing the age of 60. With each passing year, particularly after the age of 60, the immune system can become less robust. This natural process, known as immunosenescence, means our defenses aren't quite as sharp as they once were. It's not just about aging, it's about understanding how this change subtly but significantly impacts our ability to fight off disease. This reduced efficiency makes us more susceptible to infections. Common colds can become serious respiratory issues, and minor infections can take longer to fight off. Even what seems like a small health hiccup can escalate without strong immune defenses. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, eating well, exercising, getting enough sleep, is absolutely crucial. These habits provide a strong foundation for overall health. Yet even when we do our best in these areas, there are often invisible enemies hiding in our daily routines. However, even with a healthy lifestyle, there are often overlooked factors that can undermine our immune defenses. Seemingly small, innocuous hygiene habits can create vulnerabilities. These hidden hygiene mistakes might seem harmless, but they quietly chip away at your body's natural shield. We're going to focus on some of these often missed hygiene mistakes. These aren't always the obvious ones, but they can significantly impact your health and increase your risk of illness. By becoming aware of them, you gain the power to protect yourself more effectively. Understanding and correcting these habits is a powerful step. It's about adding an extra layer of protection when your immune system needs it most. Let's take a closer look at these everyday oversights that may be doing more harm than you realize. Let's uncover these hidden risks and learn how to fortify your defenses. Your health and well-being depend on it. Mistake 1. Neglecting hand washing. Hand washing is universally recognized as the single most effective way to prevent the spread of germs. It is the absolute cornerstone of personal hygiene. It's simple, yet surprisingly under-practiced or done incorrectly. Despite its known importance, many people still fall short in their hand-washing practice. It's not just about a quick rinse, it requires deliberate action. The effectiveness lies in how you wash, not just whether you do it. The fundamental requirement is simple. Wash your hands thoroughly using soap and clean running water. This combination is essential for lifting and removing pathogens. Don't rely on a splash-and-go routine, be intentional. The duration of washing is critical. You must wash for at least 20 seconds. This isn't an arbitrary number. It's the time needed for soap to effectively break down germ membranes and for friction to remove them. Consistency in timing ensures better protection every single time. Think of singing "Happy Birthday" twice. That's roughly 20 seconds. Make sure you are actively scrubbing all surfaces of your hands during this time. It may feel long, but it's your safety net against harmful microbes. One key time to wash is immediately after touching public surfaces. Door handles, shopping carts, handrails, these are hotbeds for bacteria and viruses left by countless others. You never know who touched what and when. Another non-negotiable time is after using the restroom. This is perhaps the most obvious, yet still sometimes neglected moment when hands become contaminated with harmful bacteria. Skipping this step invites avoidable illness. Crucially, always wash your hands before eating or preparing food. Transferring germs from your hands to your mouth is a direct route for infection. Every meal is an opportunity to stay healthy or to introduce sickness. Emphasize the action of scrubbing, not just rinsing. Rub your palms together between your fingers, the backs of your hands, and under your nails. Lathering and friction are key to effective cleaning. It's these motions that dislodge stubborn germs. Using hand sanitizer is a good alternative when soap and water aren't available. However, ensure it contains at least 60% alcohol to be effective against most germs. Keep one in your bag or pocket for emergencies. Remember, hand sanitizer doesn't remove dirt or all types of germs like norovirus or C. difficile. Soap and water are always the preferred method when possible. When in doubt, wash it out. Make hand washing a non-negotiable habit throughout your day. It's a simple action with profound implications for protecting your health and immunity. Repetition turns this habit into a powerful routine. This simple step is your first and strongest line of defense. Don't underestimate its power in keeping you healthy. Your hands carry more than you think. Make sure it's not germs. Consistent, proper hand washing significantly reduces your exposure to pathogens. It directly lowers the burden on your immune system, allowing it to focus on other threats. This means fewer infections, faster recoveries, and a stronger you. It's a habit that protects not only you but also those around you. Be a champion of clean hands. Spread health, not germs. Mistake 2. Ignoring oral hygiene. Hygiene isn't limited to visible surfaces like your hands. It extends to the less obvious areas like your mouth. And what happens in your mouth doesn't stay in your mouth. It affects your entire body. Maintaining good oral hygiene involves more than just daily brushing and flossing. It requires a comprehensive approach. You need more than minty breath. You need protection from inflammation and infection. Regular dental checkups are absolutely vital, especially as you age. Dentists can spot problems you might miss and provide professional cleaning. Preventive care today saves health issues tomorrow. Poor oral health can easily lead to serious issues like gum disease, also known as periodontal disease. This is a common problem that often goes unnoticed in its early stages. And it's not just about losing teeth, it's about losing health. Gum disease is not just a dental issue. It's linked to systemic inflammation throughout the body. Bacteria from infected gums can enter the bloodstream. This triggers a cascade of immune responses that affect far more than your smile. This chronic inflammation puts a constant strain on your immune system. It diverts resources needed to fight off other infections. Think of it as fighting a battle on two fronts. Your body gets tired. Inflammation increases your overall vulnerability to infections elsewhere in the body. It creates a state where your defenses are already partially engaged. You want your immune system on full alert, not distracted. Ensure you are using the correct brushing technique. Brush gently in small circular motions, covering all surfaces of your teeth and gums. Don't forget your tongue. The tongue harbors bacteria too. Don't skip it. Flossing daily is non-negotiable. It removes food particles and plaque from between teeth and under the gum line where your toothbrush can't reach. Skipping floss is like only washing half your dishes. Replace your toothbrush regularly, approximately every 3 to 4 months, or sooner if the bristles are frayed. Worn bristles are less effective and can harbor bacteria. A fresh brush does a better job. Consider using an antimicrobial mouthwash as recommended by your dentist. This can help reduce bacteria in the mouth, but it should not replace brushing and flossing. Think of it as backup, not a substitute. Clean dentures or other dental appliances daily according to your dentist's instructions. These can also become breeding grounds for microbes. Neglected appliances undo all your hard work. Dry mouth, which can be a side effect of some medications, can also impact oral health. Saliva helps neutralize acids and wash away food particles. Discuss solutions with your doctor or dentist if you experience dry mouth. Moisture matters more than you might think. Taking care of your mouth is taking care of your whole body. It's a critical component of your overall immune defense strategy. Don't let your smile be a weak link in your health. Don't let poor oral health become a hidden drain on your immunity. Prioritize your dental care routine. It's more than hygiene, it's immune insurance. A healthy mouth contributes to a healthier immune system. It's an investment in your long-term well-being, and the returns are priceless. Conclusion: taking action for stronger immunity. We've discussed 4 key hygiene areas that are often overlooked, but critical for supporting your immune system after 60. Neglecting hand washing, ignoring oral health, skimping on bathing, and forgetting to clean personal devices like glasses and hearing aids all create unnecessary risks. Each of these might seem small, but together, they create a dangerous gap in your immune defense. These aren't minor oversights. They are potential entry points and breeding grounds for pathogens. Addressing them directly reduces the burden on your aging immune system. And when you reduce the burden, you free your body to fight what truly matters. It's easy to fall into routines and not think critically about these daily habits. But taking a moment to assess and adjust can make a significant difference in your health. You hold the power to change the outcome. These habits are not about being overly fearful of germs. They are about being proactive and smart about reducing preventable risks. Preparedness is protection. Think of these hygiene practices as essential components of your health maintenance plan, just like taking medication or managing a chronic condition. They are that important. They deserve your daily attention. Your immune system works hard for you every single day. Support it by minimizing the challenges it faces from preventable germ exposure. It's a partnership. Give it the help it needs. By fixing these hidden hygiene mistakes, you are not just staying clean. You are actively boosting your immunity. You are investing in more healthy, vibrant years, and the benefits extend far beyond just avoiding a cold. Be diligent, be consistent, and be well. Your health is your most valuable asset. Treat it with the care it deserves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And make sure to subscribe for more science-backed tips to live your best life, naturally and powerfully.